Hi, welcome to Drive with Care, part 2. If you've seen my previous video, we ended up in Sandwich. I'm now in Sandwich and we're going to go to Deal in Kent. So, come along. Nothing coming behind me. Let's go from the village of Sandwich on this lovely Saturday sunny day. And we'll take the A256, which is the back road to Deal. Try and head for the pier. Maybe get an ice cream or some fish and chips. Okay, we're in a 20-mile-an-hour zone. Very narrow streets. No right turn ahead, but that doesn't mean there's nothing coming from the junction, and there could be. But there isn't. Could be driving into the sun here. Wonder if the camera will pick it all up. Will it do its auto-adjust? Now I didn't indicate because it's a swing round to the left. If you wanted to go right, you'd indicate. Okay, I've got a car coming out of a garage, oncoming traffic and vehicles parked on my side of the road. I think I might have to use the old sun visor, you know. Over the level crossing. Pedestrians to my left with dog. We're now in a 30 zone. Blind bend. Cars on my side of the road parked up. Now into a 40 zone. Let's get some speed up, shall we? Now we have had a lot of frosty weather and it's been -3, so 0 degrees to -3 degrees centigrade, Celsius, whatever generation you come from. But where the sun is not lifting too high, you could still have some icy patches, so you kind of have to be wary on the roads. Going left on this roundabout, indicate left. Nothing to my right. 4 miles to Deal. I wonder if we can do that in 4 minutes. 40-mile-an-hour zone. This is Worth. I love that all the little villages along this route. You've got Deal, Ham, Worth and Sandwich. You kind of put in some kind of mnemonic to make you remember them. You get a good Deal's worth of ham sandwich, or a good ham's worth of Deal sandwich. You get the gist, right? Right, we've got Crossroads 200 yards ahead. Elderly people potentially in the road. I always liken that sign to pickpockets ahead. Some have often called it the conga line ahead. Okay, 50-mile-an-hour zone now. Let's turn that visor to that side because the sun is streaming in. So you've got to make use of all the, I want to say appliances, everything that's available to you to help you drive, you know, with confidence but with care. Single chevron, so a slight bend. Car pulling out of junction ahead. Not enough for me to have to slow down, so that's okay. Traffic's actually slowing down a bit. I'm doing 40 now. Right, there's a roundabout ahead. I want to go straight across, so I'll only indicate coming off the roundabout. something to my right. Always worth letting other drivers know what you're doing. Right, entering into Sholden, which is marked as a 30-mile-an-hour zone. Lights for a crossing. Starting to see the old Christmas decorations being put out on the houses. That's right, we're filming this in December. It's actually December the 10th today. My granddaughter's 16th birthday. 16. My eldest granddaughter. She'll be learning to drive next year. She should watch Drive with Care. Entering Deal, what I think I'll do is drive down to the main sea parade where the pier is. Cars parked along the left here, not expecting pedestrians, but could have someone coming out of their car with the doors open, but there is enough room for cars to drive along two abreast. We should go left at this roundabout because the road is swinging to the left. One should still indicate, as these two vehicles in front are doing. Good news. And then you get a zebra crossing right by the roundabout, which is why we slowed down, because there was someone crossing. Put the visor back quickly because the sun is behind me now, because I don't want my vision blocked. Car waiting at junction. Traffic swinging around to the left. Might see some hazards here. This will be interesting. Pedestrian on my left. So definitely a built-up area. I haven't seen any signs, but you know what? 30 miles an hour, right, in a built-up area. I want to go right after the island, so I'll indicate as I'm at this junction. If I indicate too early, cars might think I'm trying to go that way. Fully in the lane, and then slide into the road. So you never know if the road's going to be clear, and that Mondeo was right on my side of the road. Had he been a little closer, I might have had to slow down and apply the brakes. I think I took the wrong turning, actually. I should have gone straight on. But all roads lead to Deal, at least in this video. Deal Municipal Park. Nice green area, pedestrian. I've got some skateboarders coming down to the crossing. I think they're probably going to cross. Let's give them a stop, shall we? Blind bend after the bridge. Car coming and cars on my side of the road, so I'm going to have to give way here. But when it's kind of that narrow, until you're actually on the road, if there's oncoming traffic, that's fine. But you don't really know what the other driver's going to do. Going left at this junction. I think coming from the right. onto a one-way system. Oh, I've got hiccups. I could be hungry. I can only turn right, but I will indicate it. Lets pedestrians know what I'm doing. I'll get one more video out of this today because I've still got to get back, so I'll do another one on the other route, which you'll see in about 3 or 4 days' time, because that's the frequency of release. Right, vehicles coming, 2 cars, and out we go. Look at that pier, isn't it wonderful, all lit up. All those clouds over in France. Must be raining in France. Maybe that's why England might win the quarter-final match against them tonight, because I did say it was the 10th, indicating right, and then indicating off the roundabout, and then we're at Deal Pier. So that concludes today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We got a traffic light ahead, so I'm going to stop, make use of that. Drop me a comment if you saw something I didn't see, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.